Hamza, Noon, Zair, In.
Hamza, Noon, Zair.
Now look, this is Noon Sakin. There must be Gunna. Ha, Dad, Zabar, Hav. In, Hav. وقفا انهز وقفا انهز. Now tell me, where should be gunna, and if we are not doing gunna, what is the reason? Where gunna is applicable, and if we are not doing gunna, what is the reason?
Okay.
Come on.
ये
Yes.
वाला गुन्ना है.
Yes, this is noon sakin. This is what?
Noon sakin.
And there must be gunna on noon sakin. Okay, then why are we not doing it?
Gunna in this order?
Yes, noon is sakin. Noon needs gunna, but we are not doing gunna. Why?
Because there is no
Because there is a harf halaqi. Because there is, yes, there is a harf halaqi, and harf halaqi does not like gunna, and it does not allow us to do gunna on its immediate neighbor, that is noon. Okay?
Okay.
So whenever we have any harf halaqi after noon sakin, we are not allowed to perform gunna on noon sakin.
Okay.
Okay. There are 6 huruf halaqi: Hamza, Ha, Ain, Ha, Ghain, Kha. Hamza, Ha, Ain, Ha, Ghain, Kha.
Hamza, Ha, Ain, Ha, Ghain, Kha.